welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. If you missed Day 1, I did an empty apartment tour. I took you through my move-in day. Nothing super holiday related yesterday, but it was a busy day for me, so it's definitely a fun watch. Today is gonna be more chill. I'm working on some gift guides right now, so if you are in need of gift ideas on my Instagram, I have a gift guide highlight. It has gifts for her, gifts for him, gifts for mom, gifts for dad, gifts for in-laws, gifts for the host, stocking stuffers, all of the gift ideas. So check it out. My Instagram is @melgalman. I have a few things to do with the apartment today. Somebody's gonna stop by to set up the Wi-Fi, thank the Lord. And I also thought, just an idea, that you and I could do an unboxing of all of the boxes I've gotten for my apartment. I ordered things a couple weeks ago and I don't really know what's arrived yet, what hasn't, so I feel like it'll be a fun surprise for both of us to open things up and sort of find a home for things in my new apartment. But to get into the Christmassy holiday mood today, I made some coffee and I also put the fireplace on Mark's TV, and it makes this crackle noise that is just so nice and relaxing. So as I'm making gift guides, I'm watching that. I also started yesterday, I think it's called A Castle for Christmas. Such a fun movie. It's with Brooke Shields. I love her so much. And I'm halfway through, so I might finish the other half at some point today and I'll let you know how I like it. Just look up fireplace on YouTube if you don't have a fireplace, and isn't that such a relaxing noise? Okay, I gotta show you my cutie little outfit for today. Well, at least this morning, because it's Fabletics. Hold on, I gotta readjust this. It's their black set. It's ribbed, but it's very stretchy and also has that sculpt knit material. And it has flares, which is very trendy. I need to get them hemmed a tiny bit. Are these not the cutest slippers? They're my Fabletics ones, and they're so comfy. They come in a bunch of colors, but I got this color because it's holiday season. I'm a new woman right now because I had to take a nap. My head has been hurting so bad. Not sure why. But I feel better after that nap. I'm going to head to my apartment for the first time today, and you're coming with me. We're gonna find a home for all of the things that we're about to unbox together. Look how big this box is. I can't even fit in the frame. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog my way there considering I'm holding this giant box. I will check in once I get to my apartment. This right here, ladies and gents, is my favorite site to see. Most of these are from Amazon. I think the only one that's not from Amazon is this. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I'm hoping it is what it is. But I think I'll just start picking up boxes. I just got a text from my friend Jordan saying, just watched Vlogmas Day 1, it made my day. So sweet. I'm just gonna start with the smallest Amazon package. So I'm just gonna open this bad boy up. These are gonna blow your mind because when I learned about them, they blew my mind. So I think I saw these on a TikTok, and they are counter gap covers. So they cover the space in between your stove and your counter. It's like a T-shape. And so you just line them up here. No crumbs go in the gap. So you won't have to pull the stove out and clean the crumbs. So I'll let you know when I install these. Probably won't be anytime soon since I have no kitchenware. Mark opened some of these because he thought they were his. I just took a sneak peek. You guys are gonna like these. This is actually the first thing that I bought for my apartment, and it's LED lighting light bulbs. So these, I think, change colors up to 8 colors. And I really want to do red lights at night and then just have white lights during the day, but I hear red lights are supposed to be soothing, so I really wanted color changing light bulbs. They come with these remotes, and you can change to so many different colors, so that will be very fun, very vibey. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so I got these for my mantle. I'm gonna do a faux fireplace, and in the middle I have this whole vision that I really won't be able to explain to you, but I promise I will film it once I have it all set up, and I'll probably film the process of me putting together, but it requires different height LED candles. Yesterday, I found pink trash bags. So I'll have to show you them in a second, but they smell like cherry blossom. I'm pretty sure they're Febreze. And once I saw pink, I was like, I don't even care what they smell like. They're cute, so I'm getting them. The next box. This one is not from Amazon. This one is from Bed Bath. Whew, she heavy. Bed Bath & Beyond. Are you ready for this one? I know I am. Okay, I think, and I'm pretty sure, this is my coffee machine. It's a Ninja coffee machine, and I've always wanted one for myself. She's heavy though. Oh my gosh. This is the Ninja Grounds and Pods Dual Brew Pro Specialty Coffee System. We've got one more thing to unbox. It's the biggest box, but it's also the lightest box. Okay, this isn't from Amazon, but I know exactly what it is. But beside my bed, I'm going to have these 2 lamp shades, and they're going to be hanging from the wall with rattan cords. They're so cute. They're from IKEA, so I guess I just thought the package was Amazon, but it was from IKEA. I think $14 each, so they really were not as expensive as they look. And I feel like these are very hotel luxe right now, so snatch them up. I will be linking these in the description. Going to Publix to do some grocery shopping now, since I have gotten nothing since I have been here, and I just feel really icky when I eat out too much. I just don't feel healthy right now, so I want to get lots of things that I can make different meals from. Obviously, I will be keeping all of the groceries in Mark's apartment since I have no kitchenware. I am going to head in. I've made a list for myself. I'll put it here. And I also want to update you on the fact that I told you this morning that the Wi-Fi people were coming, and guess what? They didn't come, they just dropped off the box, so now I have to figure it out. The fridge is stocked. Some of my favorites that I always keep around are these wee yogurts and sushi, of course. Sweet Lauren's is my favorite. You can see that it's open because on the way back I always eat one piece of the cookie dough, and it's safe to eat. The cookie dough is safe to eat, so that's good. Another big favorite is the avocado mash. I always get these. Then over here I have some apples, mangoes, sweet potatoes, sourdough bread, of course, rotisserie chicken. I always get this when I want easy dinner to make. I'm gonna try this New England eggnog coffee. I thought it was festive, and it says holiday edition, so I'm gonna try that. I wasn't planning on getting Swiss Miss, but these were BOGO at Publix today, so had to do it. And then I have recently started loving macaroni and cheese. I absolutely hated it for the longest time, but now I just want it all the time. So I picked up this Annie's and also jasmine rice packets, some maple syrup because we were out, and that's about it. Don't mind the smudged makeup and the messy-ish hair. I was laying down finishing Castle for Christmas, which is on Netflix. It's the movie starring Brooke Shields, and I have to say it was so cute. I feel like I liked it so much because it felt very Hallmark, but it was very high budget, so it looked beautiful. The castle was beautiful. The actors were great. It wasn't that cheesy. You could tell in the beginning what would happen at the end. I definitely recommend watching it. Also, one of my favorites from last year, I haven't watched it this year yet, is Holiday. Love that. And that's also on Netflix. And then one last one that's sort of more of like a classic is The Holiday. I love that movie. Cameron Diaz and Jude Law, amazing together. and that is one I watch every year, so I will probably watch that soon. I think today has been a bit of a catch-up day for me, just getting little things done, so not as interesting, but I'm thinking I'm going to take a long, nice shower, also bake some cookies afterwards, and maybe convince Mark to watch another holiday movie with me. Just a thought.